Hello everyone, my name is Chin. Welcome to my channel. First of all, I'm going to talk about gold yen this pair again. After that, we're going to talk about natural gas afterwards. So, just before I start, I think this is quite relevant to all of you, this graph here. So, we started off with a nice uptrend and then a cluster of consolidation, and then it goes up again, and then I pull back. Now, what's going to happen next? What's going to happen next? Because this cluster is full of potential limit orders, a lot of buy and sell go through here. So whoever shorted it in the very beginning now is about to take profits and forming a psychological barrier here. So all of us can expect a little bit of this or doing that, right? We all agree on this. And why I'm saying that is because of what happened to gold and yen here. So cluster down here, pull up, and then coming back to this cluster. So in case you didn't see that, this bit here, this cluster, it's a lot of consolidation from 3rd of Feb till 6th of Feb. Few days just doing nothing. So you can expect when the price come back to it, it's gonna pause, bounce slightly, and do something else. And that's how I capitalize this small movement. And where can you take profit? You can see there's another cluster here. Let me use the right brush to show you. Right, this cluster. Right, so that's the trade I made. So that's how I make the trade here. You can see when it touches this cluster, put a long order, and then get out. If we zoom in, that's exactly what happened. A very instant, easy trade there. In case you're watching a mobile, in and out. So now natural gas, what happened? Over the weekend, massive gap down, and up to this dotted line was what I see this morning. And immediately we're gonna find the levels closest to this candle. This is level 1, level 2. We've done this quite a few times already. On the downside, this is level 1, and this is level 2 to me. Optimum entry levels 2 and 2. Okay, that's where the price like could go during the day, and when they touches it, it could be a slight bounce back, which that's what I see. And then quickly throughout the day, I realize, well, there's not much momentum going on, and that's why I said I could have actually entered level 1. And it's a shame it didn't tap into it, otherwise it will be a nice rebound from level 1. So it is earlier, it's because of this EMA bounce back from the 50 EMA. Well, I could have entered here, but just a little bit more I could have tapped in. So, well, sometimes is I rather left the deal rather than get into a bad deal. If you understand what I mean, I rather didn't do the business because I don't find it valuable to me. So didn't get into this trade. It's a shame, but it's okay. Next time you don't know, maybe it shoots up and then come back down again. So that's okay. And now let's see how it goes. It might be a rejection to this level and come back down a little bit to the downside. Right, I'll see you next time. So if you like what you see, you can go to my Patreon and to buy me a cup of coffee. That will be a massive support for me, and that will push me to do more better video. So link will be in the description. I will see you next time.